Hello team, welcome to Teach Together Try with Mr. Burns. Guys, today the learning objective. The learning objective is that students will understand where to place fractions on a number line between 0 and 1. So you, the student, will understand where to place fractions on a number line between 0 and 1. And your success criteria, guys, should look a little like this. You'll have a number line, there's 0 and 1, and you will get that 2/4 would go there on the number line and 3/4 would go there. And I wonder if you get that 1/4 would go there. If you don't, that's great. We're going to look at that now. Okay, guys, here we go. We're going to look at quarters first. We've got a number line here, a very typical number line. And that number line just goes from 0 to 1. And I think you know what quarters are, and I'm actually going to divide this number line up into quarters. Now, if you're up to this video, you should by now understand that fractions are part of a whole. And I've divided this number line up into 4 parts, Here's one of the 4 parts. Here's another of the 4 parts, and here's another of the 4 parts, and here's another of the 4 parts. So what we can do on this number line is this. We can say that this part is 1/4. And all of this space on the number line equals 1/4. And up to here, we can say it equals 2/4. And all of this combined equals 2/4. And we can say up to here equals 3/4. And all of this, all the way up to here, equals 3/4. And then, up to here, well, that's actually a whole. And you can call it 1, which is what it's called. Or if you're very clever, you can understand that 1 is the same as 4/4. Okay. Let's have another go at that, but this time I'm going to divide the number line up into fifths. So I've got 0 there and 1 there, and I'm going to divide the number line up into 5 separate parts. So there's 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Right, there's 5 bits now, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one of these bits equals 1/5. So we say that's 1/5. The number line from there to there is 1/5. But the number line from there to here would be 2/5. And the number line from there to there would be 3/5. And the number line from there to there would be 4/5. And the number line from there all the way to there would be, I wonder if you know, it would be a whole 1 or 5/5. Let's do some together. Right, can you with me divide this number line up into 6? So we're dealing with 6. We're dealing with this business. 1/6 or 2/6 or 3/6. That's the fraction that we're looking at. So, here's 0. What's the first one going to be? If this is 0, what's the first one going to be? Let me give you a hint, because we're doing it together. You should do this in your book as well, by the way. So, write this down, draw this in your book. This lesson's for you, not for me to do gymnastics out here. You should be doing work as well. Okay? So, 0, I'll tell you this is 1/6. You're going to work out, I'll give you another one. This is 5/6. You're going to work out what is here, here, and there. Have a go. That's 1/6. What's that going to be? What's that going to be? What's that going to be? Okay? All right, let's have a go. I wonder if you've worked out that's 1/6, and that would be 2/6, and then this would be 3/6, and then this would be 4/6, and then this would be 5/6, and then this would of course be 6/6, which is equal to a whole. Let's do another one together. Let's do tenths. Right. I've drawn the number line. Can you break it up into tenths right away? Have a little go. I'll show you how to do it if you can't do it. But why don't you draw out what you think the tenths are going to look like? Have a go. But I'll do it now. So pause me and have a go and then see how you go. All right. Okay, I've broken it up into what I think are tenths, okay? Can you complete it? Let me help you. I'll start you off, okay? I know that's 5 tenths. Can you complete the rest of it? Can you make it so this number line shows us all the tenths, all of these, all the little, tenths from 0 to 1. Have a go. Go on. And I wonder if you've done this. 0, 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, and so on. And of course, up the end here, 10 tenths equals 1 whole. Time for you to try it all by yourself. Here is 0. Here is 1. Break this number line up into eighths. I want to see 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Go on, have a go. Let's see how you went. Pause me and do it. Okay, I'm back. This is what it should have looked like. I wonder if yours looks like that. You've got your 1/8 here. Then you've got your up to 2/8, then up to your 3/8, then up to your 4/8, which is the same as a half, by the way. Then your 5/8, then your 6/8, then your 7/8, and all the way up to your 8/8. And you have represented that on the number line. I hope. If not, let's have another go. You should be doing this in your book, by the way. Here's an interesting one to end up on. Thirds. I want you to divide this number line into its thirds and put the 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 in its correct spot. Have a go at that for me now. Pause me and do that. Okay, I hope you paused me. You should have gone 1/3, 2/3, and oh, that's bad. That's not good enough, is it? I've left too big a space there. Mr. Burns. Okay, that's much better. 0, 1/3, 2/3, and of course this would be 3/3 or 1 because it's the same. Okay, and I do want to see that in your books. Thank you. There's the third, there's 2/3, and there's of course your 1 whole. Thanks for watching.